Hey, it's Steph here from First National Macarthur. I've got a fantastic property for you. It's number 40 Mackenzie Boulevard in the growing suburb of Gregory Hills. Come on in and let's have a look.
This immaculately presented family home is located in the popular suburb of Gregory Hills, showcasing an open-plan modern design complemented with quality inclusions, detailed finishes and flawless interiors. The superb floor plan is impressive. The multiple living areas, which include a marvellous theatre room, are accommodating to the growing family and perfectly positioned throughout the home. The kitchen is exquisite and centrally located overlooking the living area and is equipped to cater for all of your cooking needs, featuring quality stainless steel appliances, gas cooking, a walk-in pantry and a breakfast bar. Boasting 4 generously proportioned bedrooms, all with built-in robes, the master suite features an envious walk-in robe. These bedrooms are serviced by 2 modern and light-filled bathrooms, one being the ensuite to the master bedroom. Outside offers a wonderful alfresco area, perfect for entertaining, overlooking a fully enclosed low-maintenance backyard. This wonderful home is conveniently located only a short drive to the newly established Oran Park Town Centre and public transport.
Well, there you have it. Gregory Hills is a popular suburb. A property like this will not last long. I'm Steph from First National and I look forward to seeing you at this week's open home.